This exercise is a hook lying bridge with low reach. What you're going to do is you're going to be here about 60 degrees of knee flexion and about 60 degrees here at hip flexion as well. Okay, so we're not at a 90-90, we're more of at 60-60. We're then going to place our feet on the wall, feeling 3 points of contact. Your heel, the ball of your big toe, and the ball of your little toe. Okay. However, we're not pushing into the wall whatsoever to maintain that contact. You're just kind of feeling that contact. I recommend doing this either with shoes on or without shoes or socks on so that your foot doesn't slide on the wall. You're then going to continue to have those 3 points of contact. You're going to pull, imagine this is my heel, we're going to pull with our foot down the wall without moving our foot to engage the hamstrings just a little bit. Okay. We're doing that about a 2 out of 10 effort. So we're really not pulling very hard. It's just like we're slightly pulling through those hamstrings there. Okay. As we're pulling, we're going to do a little bit of a hip shift. You'd have either a foam roller or a ball here. I'm going to grab a ball here real quick. So we're here, about that ball or a foam roller. We're activating those hamstrings by pulling those feet down. We're going to pull we squeeze the ball just a tiny bit, 2 out of 10, and pull that left knee down, right? So that we're looking at the level of the knees, the left knee is slightly lower. We need to make sure as well we don't feel any back activation with this. You should feel maybe a little adductor and maybe some pressure along the back of the hip, but that's just about it. So we're feeling a little bit of hamstring activation, a little bit of adductor on that left side activation, and then we're going to kind of point, kind of lift our arms, kind of keeping our upper forearm somewhat limp, but pointing our elbows towards our knees, and then slightly reaching them forward again, keeping that effort at 2 out of 10. Okay. So, and then we're just going to breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. And making the breathing also a 2 out of 10 effort. I'm just maintaining this. So right now, the areas, I'm feeling my hamstrings because I'm pulling my feet down the wall. I'm not lifting my butt or my back off the wall whatsoever. I'm just engaging the hamstrings just a little bit. I'm then pulling the knee down as well. So I begin to feel my left adductor, just 2 out of 10. And then pointing those elbows right at those knees. I'm breathing here for between 5 to 10 breaths.